This tutorial guides you through the essential steps to get started with CrmLeaf. You will learn how to navigate key modules and configure important settings for effective use. Click the HRMS module to begin managing human resources functions. Click the dashboard to view an overview of your HRMS data and activities. Click Employees to manage employee records and related information. Click Add Employee to start entering details for a new staff member. Click Leaves to manage employee leave requests and records. Click New Leave to add a new leave request or record. Click Shift Roster to view and manage employee shift schedules. Click Assign Bulk Shifts to allocate shifts to multiple employees at once. Click Attendance to manage employee attendance records. Click Mark Attendance to record daily attendance for employees. Click here to proceed with marking attendance. Click Holiday to manage company holidays and related settings. Click Add Holiday to create a new holiday entry in the system. Click here to proceed with adding the new holiday. Click Designation to manage job titles and roles within the organization. Click Add Designation to create a new job title or role. Click here to proceed with adding the new designation. Click Department to manage organizational departments and teams. Click Add Department to create a new department within the company. Click here to proceed with adding the new department. Click Appreciation to manage employee recognition and rewards. Click Add Appreciation to record a new employee appreciation or award. Click here to proceed with adding the appreciation entry. Click Payroll to manage employee salary and compensation details. Click Employee Salary to view and edit salary information for staff. Click Payroll Expenses to monitor company payroll costs and expenditures. Click Overtime Request to manage employee overtime submissions. Click F&F Settlements to handle full and final settlement processes. Click Create F&F Settlement to initiate a new settlement for an employee. Click here to proceed with creating the settlement. Click Gratuity Calculator to compute gratuity amounts for eligible employees. Click Assets to manage company assets assigned to employees. Click Notice Board to view and post company announcements and updates. Click Payroll Report to generate detailed payroll summaries and analytics. Click Pay Summary to review summarized payment information for employees. Click PF Statement to access Provident Fund contribution details. Click Overtime Payment to manage payments related to employee overtime. Click Bank Statement to review payroll transactions processed through bank accounts. Click Pay Difference Statement to analyze discrepancies in employee payments. Click ESI Deduction to handle employee state insurance contributions. Click Gratuity Eligibility Report to identify employees eligible for gratuity benefits. Click CTC Report to review the cost to company details for employees. Click Statutory Filings and Returns to manage compliance submissions and reports. Click PF Form 5 to access specific Provident Fund documentation. Click PF Form 10 to review additional Provident Fund forms. Click Show Report to display the selected statutory filing or report. Click PF Form 12A to access monthly Provident Fund statements. Click PF Form 3A, Monthly, to review monthly Provident Fund contributions. Click here to proceed with viewing the Provident Fund form. Click Import Payroll to upload payroll information into the system for processing. You have successfully navigated and configured the core modules of CrmLeaf, including HRMS, Payroll, Attendance, and Statutory Filings. Next, explore advanced features or customized settings to optimize your HR management workflow.